Today, we're diving into some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're as eager as we are to learn more about what Samsung has in store, stick around because we've got some juicy details to share. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Let's jump right in. With the dust barely settled from Samsung's Unpacked 2024 event where they unveiled their latest foldable phones, the tech world is already buzzing about the next big thing. We're talking about the first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2025, where Samsung is expected to reveal the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. And guess what? We've already got a sneak peek at one of the most crucial components, the battery. Thanks to some diligent digging, we found authentication documents for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery online, specifically on Safety Korea's website. What's intriguing is that there are two different battery numbers, EVBS 938ABY and EVBS 938ABE. Now, you might be wondering why there are two numbers. The reason behind this isn't entirely clear yet. However, unlike Samsung's foldable phones, which typically use dual batteries, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a single, robust battery. Now let's talk about the manufacturer. According to the documents, the batteries for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are made by Ning Amperex Technology Limited in China. If that name rings a bell, it's probably because Ning Amperex was also a key supplier for the Galaxy S24 series alongside Samsung SDI and ELE and TC. This suggests that Samsung may continue its strategy of using multiple suppliers for its flagship models, ensuring a stable supply chain and possibly even better quality control. While we don't have the exact battery specifications from these documents, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging capabilities. This would be a solid upgrade, offering not just long-lasting power, but also quicker charging times, which is always a welcome feature. Now let's shift gears to some of the rumors circulating about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Apart from the impressive battery specs, there are whispers about some groundbreaking features. While we wait for more concrete information, let's dive into these speculations. 1. Display and design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to sport a stunning display, possibly an improvement over the already impressive screens Samsung is known for. We can see advancements in brightness, color accuracy, and refresh rates, making it one of the best displays on the market. 2. Camera innovations. Samsung has always been at the forefront of camera technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to continue this trend. There are rumors about new sensor technology, better low-light performance, and perhaps even more advanced AI capabilities for photography and videography. 3. Performance boost. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature the latest and greatest in processing power. This could mean a new chipset, possibly the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Samsung's own Exynos equivalent, providing a seamless and fast user experience. So what does all this mean for us, the consumers? Well, if these rumors hold true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse of a phone, packed with cutting-edge technology and features. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.